Why do developers prefer optional instead of returning null? If you see in this example, we have get user ID which returns a null. So if you see, we when we call get user ID and on it will return some string, and on that we call dot gas, it will crash as it returns null. It will throw null pointer exception. If you see here, we can see null pointer exception. Null looks simple but it hides danger if you forgot to check null pointer exception. With optional, the compiler and code make it clear this value might be missing. That's safer, cleaner, and tell other developer exactly what to expect. Bottom line, returning optional is self-documenting, avoids surprises, and keeps your code null safe. Nulls are silent bugs waiting to happen. Use optional to make your code safer and more readable.
Follow and subscribe for more Java shows at the rate Beyond Java YouTube channel.